Parviz Rabi, attorney at law, have been practicing for over 20 years. Our office is located by San Francisco Airport, specializing in employment law. Today's topic, sexual orientation discrimination in California and your rights as a LGBTQ. Your sexual orientation or gender identity should have no bearing on whether an employer hires you, treats you fairly, or terminates you. Whether you are lesbian, gay, bisexual, transgender, or queer, questioning your sexual or gender identity, LGBTQ has nothing to do with your ability to perform a job. LGBTQ discrimination has been present in the workplace for decades. While federal law has come up short in protecting LGBTQ workers, California state laws provides LGBTQ employees with protection from discrimination and harassment in the workplace based on gender, gender identity, gender expression, and sexual orientation at every stage of employment. That means that when it comes to hiring, firing, pay, job assignments, promotions, layoffs, training, and fringe benefits, an employer cannot discriminate against you because you're LGBTQ. The case of sexual orientation discrimination can be direct and obvious, or more hidden or indirect. However, they all involve some type of a negative employment action taken because the employee is lesbian, gay, bisexual, transsexual, or transgender. For example, paying LGBTQ employees less than others performing the same work. Withdrawing a job offer, failing to hire, or firing an employee due to his, her, their gender, gender identity, gender expression, or sexual orientation. Offering LGBTQ employees fewer benefits than other employees. Promoting employees based on their gender, gender identity or expression, or sexual orientation, and who are less qualified than LGBTQ. Refusing to promote employees based on their gender, gender identity or expression, or sexual orientation. Giving LGBTQ employees lower performance rating despite the great performance. Denying LGBTQ employees access to training and mentorship. Using slurs or offensive language regarding or toward LGBTQ individuals. California law protects LGBTQ workers from harassment in the workplace as well as from unfair and negative employment actions. Negative treatment or harassment may involve repeated and offensive sexual orientation jokes, abusive behavior, or threats, denying benefits, paying lower wages, or issuing pretextual write-ups and disciplinary notices without a valid reason. It is also illegal in California to discriminate against an employee or applicant because of assumptions about sexual orientation based on the person's appearance. Thus, regardless of whether the employee is LGBTQ, negative actions taken by the employer based on this perception are illegal under California state law. If you have been fired, demoted, harassed, denied employment, or passed over for promotion based on sexual orientation, gender, gender identity, or gender expression, you may have a valid claim for compensation against your employer. If you have any question on this topic, please contact my office for free consultation. Please be sure to like and subscribe and turn on your notification.